What's up, wonders of London? I hope you guys are doing well. You've joined me just outside Buckingham Palace. There it is, the ceremonial palace. You might be able to even see that balcony where some of the royals will give a little wave from time to time. Sorry if I'm a little bit muffled in my wonderful Wonders of London mask, which will be available to you guys very soon, by the way. But I wanted to tell you an important story, actually my personal favorite story about Buckingham Palace. It's an unlikely one because it's about a man who broke into the palace. This man's name is Michael Fagan, a homeless man. Not necessarily the kind of guy that you would expect to break into a palace, but he did. They say that he came here in the dead of night because he used to sleep rough in Green Park, which is kind of over this way, and we've got St. James's just ahead of me. And one day he woke up and thought, wow, I want to see how the other half live. I want to get into Buckingham Palace. So he came here dead in night. He brought a rug with him and he threw that over the railings. And then he was able to jump inside the palace, wandering around until he found a window on the first floor. Now he shimmied up and he got inside, and then woo, 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 woo. That's my alarm sound, because of course this was in the 1980s. But it's Buckingham Palace, it's alarmed. So they say that he began to run from room to room to room. And as he did so, he was darting this way and that. And you're never gonna guess what happened at the end, because he wandered into so many beds. Well, first he found the throne room, kicked back and pretended to be King of England for a little bit. Managed to find some of the Queen's wine, and then managed to walk inside one of the largest, one of the more elegant bedrooms. It's the Queen's bedroom with the Queen still in it. This is when she had quite a nasty surprise. Now, you'd expect maybe the police to come in and rugby tackle him and take him away. Instead, the footman came in with a cigarette and a glass of whiskey and quietly escorted him outside the property. And it made the papers, and it was everywhere. Now, he might remain Michael Fagan, the legend that broke into Buckingham Palace, but I wouldn't recommend that you guys do the same, as I imagine that they have tightened security somewhat, especially since the 1980s. I'm going to give you a little bit of a look out there at Winged Victory, the golden bit on top of the palace. Thank you for watching these videos with us, Wonders of London. Peace.